Oh. Yep. And look forward to the next 3-gun, man.
Right?
Next year.
Yeah. It just kind of sparked my interest again. I've been shooting pistols so much, all the matches, and then we did that 3-gun that was a couple of weeks ago, and I was like, oh, I forgot how much fun this was.
Oh, the 3-gun is fun.
I want to do more of this. Yeah.
Oh, shotgun is fun.
Yeah.
I can smoke that shotgun like, oh, I love that shotgun.
Engage him as you see him, 1 reload between your first and your last shot.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I hate those tiny plays.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
I dig the plays. That'll be a party.
What's that?
Low.
Plays?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gotta hit those tiny little clays. I hate that shit.
Yeah, pull it out so we can.
Don't do under the. When you go under first, it's kind of hard to get up. Yes. So.
Oh, what kind of mess do we have here?
Reload
Reload between your first and your last shot.
better than that thing. I don't
Reload
know if I
between your
trust
first
it
and
either.
last shot, huh?
Get the box out so I need to.
Can I have your gun first before you sit there and put it in the dirt? Please.
Alright, what do we got here?
On timer, shoot them as you see them from in the shooting area. You must reload sometime between first shot and last shot fired.
God
Walls
damn
are
it.
as built.
Sons of bitches.
So before you finish, 1 reload.
Okay. Yep, you have to reload.
1 reload before
Oh,
you're
yeah.
done.
So,
What's a girl to do?
Shoot shit.
Shoot the fuck out of shit.
That's a Texas-sized
Huh?
Texas-sized symbol.
right?
Jeremy, I'm just, no,
You shot first.
Oh, that's right. So you're up. Yeah, you're up
So we have to go under this one, huh?
So we got 16 targets. 1, 2, 3,
shooting area rifle.
6,
Oh, rifle under.
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's 2 on paper, you gotta break the clay.
Reload 1 before you're done. It doesn't matter. You can do that at the beginning, first shot, or whatever.
So we have to break the clay, right?
Just go ahead.
Reload? No, it doesn't say simulate.
Well, you have to roll and drop it, touch your belt, and then reload with the same mag.
Is there a reload?
Yeah, mandatory reload.
And
It has been, usually it is. They consider it a reload. As long as you go empty, drop your mag, touch your belt, and then go back in.
Why do you want to do that?
You go empty?
Yeah, use the same. Huh?
What do you mean go empty?
No, you don't go empty. You pull your mag.
Yeah, just remove the mag and put it back
Pull your
in.
mag, touch your belt, go back in. That counts as a reload.
So what's faster? Pulling it out and reloading it, or just dropping it and reloading it? Dropping it and reloading it. I don't care what's in it.
most people don't want to drop their big
That's
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Fucking Jeremy over here, all fucking flexible and shit.
getting those on flawed over there. Fuck.
I'm trying to decide, like, I'm not going to be moving fast, but I can flop down and do that when I'm done.
Hey, did you
So I
guys
can-
hear that Sean Connery died today?
Yeah,
Are you fucking kidding me?
yeah.
Oh, sad.
No way! How old? 100?
90.
90. Oh man.
He's a good guy. I love the guy.
Is this muzzle on the X again?
Did they pin it on Corona?
Yeah, they probably.
He was 90, but he got
Yeah.
They got Corona.
I read an article that basically said he died in his bed in the Bahamas. He had been unwell for a little while, but I'm surprised that didn't
Come up.
Yeah,
Well, it's not in the United States, so it doesn't count.
right.
Sean Connery.
So, I gotta get all
Yeah.
I'm gonna
All the stubby ones.
Who's first?
That's gonna suck.
Megan.
So I start unloading.
No, you're loaded. You just need to do one reload during your anywhere.
I don't move like that.
You are standing.
Some moves aren't like
Can you just sit down?
jiu-jitsu traditional.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was trying to do. Just try how
I mean,
quickly.
I'm thinking I'm gonna shoot these four, reload,
Yeah.
and at this point I'm just gonna
Yeah. Just sit down.
Lay down?
sit down. Yeah. You just put it on your knee.
And I have
Can I lay down?
Sure.
You can lay down.
You just have to
anything
stay
you
in the
want.
box.
Yes. As long as in there.
So, like I've seen.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
Oh, you can do. Just sit like this.
That's what I was gonna say. Have you guys seen that? Like some of the jujitsu guys do that.
But that's
Like
what
just
I'm
sit
saying,
down.
lay down,
You can sit like that, can't you?
You can do that too.
Because once you're done, you're done. You don't have to hurry up.
It's easy that way.
oh, do the side first.
Yeah, and then sit down, and you can just sit here and shoot from there.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go right
But
into
yeah.
an kneeling position.
Yeah, that's the problem. I can kneel, but it's a little low. I got to get lower than kneeling.
I don't.
Yeah.
You're
See,
tall.
you have an advantage. So I'm flexible, but you're
That's rare.
shorter.
It's rare, okay? Let me have it.
Soak it up, man. Yeah, that's why I can sit down more, but like this is not low enough for me. Then I end up,
Yeah.
it gets worse.
Hey, remember 88 where they taught us to go like that?
Yeah,
Use your knee as a brace.
yeah. But I mean, at this range, I don't think it's that relevant.
That fucking clay might say otherwise.
Maybe, yeah, we'll see. Probably gonna fuck me up.
I'm excited for those.
All right. That'd be good. There's a lot of. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Listo, no choque.